Hi everyone and welcome. Probably this is the most important video I've ever uploaded to my channel so far. This week, while I was working a completely different subject to talk to you, my guides came really strongly and asked me to relay another message to humanity because I've done this before. What happened after that was that I had their beautiful transmission from the Pleiadian Council from the Galactic Federation of Light. I decided to guide this and to organize this in a form of a Q&A where I asked them 8 questions and 8 answers were given. So they answered about vaccines, double mission, also light workers, star seeds, and much more. When I finished this first section, I thought, okay, it's over. Kind of time later, another being wanted to come through and gave me another type of message that I consider more tips, instructions in how to navigate in our current reality, okay? But let's start with this first transmission from the Pleiadian Council. Disclaimer, take it or leave it. Another thing, this is a video that you may watch again, take notes, because many of the sentences hold different meanings depending on who is watching it. I think this is what I want to say up front, okay? Let's dive deep into these questions. My first question was, what does humanity need to know right now? Pleiadian Council. We encourage you to follow your dreams. The planet needs the energy of as many people as possible living their truth, their dreams. To do it so, you should detach from labels established by what you call third-dimensional reality. The energies are intense and will carry on like this for a while. Then I kind of interrupt them. Telepathically, I asked, for how long? They said, the Pleiadians, that's difficult to prevail, as timelines are constantly changing in your planet due to the increase of its vibrations. You should do your best to keep your vibration as high as possible. When you live your dreams, you will live your real you. What they want to say by that is, when you live your dreams, your goals, but basically when you live your truth, your energy vibrates in your real essence. Okay, so you vibrate the way you should vibrate. And this is the energy the planet Earth needs from us right now, if it makes sense. Okay. Number 2, I asked, what about the Ascension Symptoms? If you are new to the channel, I've talked about this previously, and what's happening is we have a very hard third-dimensional body living in a planet that is ascending. What happened is our physical bodies really react to this. Most of us are suffering from this, and the most common symptoms right now is headache, ringing ears, dizziness. One day you wake up in a total depression, another you are full of gas, eating disorders, sleeping problems, sharp pain in the bodies, just to name a few. Okay, so I wanted to know what can we do with this. So what about the Ascension Symptoms? I asked them. The Pleiadians. They will continue as intense as they are. You should connect more to nature and walk outdoors. Walk in places that you are allowed to breathe freely. Walk in places that you are allowed to breathe freely. Listen to your bodies, dear ones. If more sleep is required, do it. If your body asks for a certain type of food, eat it. Make sure to listen to what your body needs. By silencing, you will listen to it. As much as you can, keep away from negative people, negative conversations, negative images. Take note of the main information of your dreams. We are communicating with most of you on a daily basis, especially to the ones named star seeds and light workers. Then I got curious because they're talking about us. All right, my question then. Is there anything star seeds and light workers need to know? The Pleiadians. You are on earth for a reason as everyone, but star seeds and light workers contracted for a double mission. At this moment, we need you in unity, one supporting each other. There is not right or wrong. There is an intense battle going on behind the scenes between dark and light. We need your highest vibration to hold space for your planet and its unawakened population, 75%. The Ascension Symptoms are happening in a more intense way to you. Support each other by exchanging your techniques, especially among people of your soul tribe. Me again, question number 4. Yet, talking about Ascension Symptoms, is there anything else we can do to help ourselves to go through them? Pleiadians, take the advantage of the hibernation time. Connect to the peace and quietness of a winter time. I found this so beautiful. Really, this metaphor. Connect to the peace and quietness of a winter time. Protect your energy and space away from the crowd. Protect your energy and space away from the crowd. Praise the online possibilities to spread your light, just even by talking to someone. Be gentle to yourself. This is very nice because many people think you have to have 1 million followers and you have to talk to thousands of people to inspire them. No, if you have one conversation to one person online and you can give a smile and an inspirational word, you are doing your work. Also, in your surrounding, if you have no one in your surrounding, just with yourself. The aim here is always to keep the vibration as higher as possible. This is the aim here. Not only ourselves, but others surrounding us. But if we live alone, then ourselves. I hope it makes sense. And also they said, be gentle to yourself. So don't force anything at this moment. Be gentle to yourself. Me again. What is a double mission? The Pleiadians. Many people are incarnated on Earth with 2 missions simultaneously. The first mission is a personal one to evolve the soul by learning and also by healing the cycles and repetition from past generations. Name it karma. The second one is to help your planet in ascension process. The second one is to help your planet in the ascension process, its regeneration, its transition to a more evolved planet. You volunteered to be part of this work because you have done this already for many lifetimes before. You were trained for this moment, dear one. It means the preparation is over, now it's time to act. Me again. In what moment of the planetary ascension are we right now? The Pleiadians. This ascension started thousands of years ago and it will be always in process. But if you are referring to the 2020 event, patience will be still required. In your time, there are 3 to 4 years ahead till things fall into the new normal. Remember that every single step on this process just reflects the level of consciousness of the majority. I will repeat that. Remember that every single step on this process just reflects the level of consciousness of the majority. For star seeds and light workers, hold space, keep up your high vibration. Question number 7, me. What do people have to know about the vaccines? Look, this is a huge subject around the planet right now that's causing lots of polarity. So here is their opinion, what the Pleiadian said. You have the power to neutralize any frequency of any substance that enters in your body only with the power of your intention. Listen to this. You have the power to neutralize any frequency of any substance that enters in your body only with the power of your intention. Detachment from feelings and emotions is a need. Be neutral. Do what has to be done from a place of neutrality. We are working behind the scenes to neutralize the effects of these vaccines in human bodies. Last question. Anything else you would like to add? The Pleiadians. Keep your mind clean. Live the call of your heart. Raise up your vibration. Trust that you are exactly where you were supposed to be in your life journey. You are not alone. We love you. How beautiful, how deep, how profound. Again, I channeled these answers from the Pleiadian Council in the Galactic Federation of Light. When I finished that, a time later, I cannot precise how much, because what is time now? Another being came through and wanted to give us another message, which is also very beautiful. Before I carry on, I want to say that's really a must that we transform disclosure in a big movement. Disclosure is happening around the planet to many people, and it has to become a normal subject. That's why I encourage you to follow this video to friends, family members, because this has to grow. This movement of disintegration has to grow. Also, if you have questions, comments, please leave down below. Subscribe to the channel, of course, because I will upload more and more contents also related to disclosure in the near future. And last but not least, hit the love and gratitude button. That's the way I call in my channel. Love and gratitude button for me. I really appreciate that. So the extra message I received, my cat's behind me. Okay, very nice. And all right, the extra message then. This being gave me sentences, which I will give it to you. I don't know, I understood this as a kind of a manual. Very interesting. Let's do it, okay? So the first thing I heard was, spend time with your soul by journaling, praying, meditating, chanting, walking in nature, what have you, okay? Also, I want to say that these messages here hold 2 big synchronicities. I will tell you soon. Then, all your answers for your questions can be accessed in your heart. But if you are in noise, you are not gonna able to listen to them. Makes sense. Another one, your higher self, your angels, your guides, name as you wish, is trying to communicate with you in a more clear and deep way. Another one, you are here to grow your souls. Do it by being a student of the universe or a student and a spiritual teacher in the universe. Time in devotion is priceless. Devotion here again, meditation, prayer, chanting, journaling, drawing. This is all devotion, okay, that you have. Another sentence they gave me, cultivate the feeling of gratitude for your present moment. To this I add, When you are able to cultivate this feeling of gratitude for whatever is happening now, you unlock your highest potential of manifestation. I'll leave it like this for now. For you that is in doubt about your career or life path, your team, guides, angels, higher self, name as you wish, want you to focus on meditation or devotional time, and in this particular prayer or affirmation. Here's the first synchronicity. The two ones are already here. First synchronicity is this particular affirmation, this particular prayer I have on my desk for more than 1 year already. I've never ever shared with anyone. Another huge synchronicity was that last week I recorded a full video about meditation and misunderstandings, myths, techniques, benefits, etc. You can find here in this channel, and I will leave the link also here for you. So they mentioned, really, for me this was a big synchronicity. Here's the prayer, and you may take a note and use as affirmation as well. Please use me in a way that delights my mind, body and soul. May my life be a big moving prayer. Again, but you can pause after as well. Please use me in a way that delights my mind, body and soul. May my life be a big moving prayer. It's a very deep one. And one last sentence. Commit to a daily devotional practice. Commit to a daily devotional practice. Daily meditation, daily journaling, daily prayer, daily devotional practice. Okay? Well, I hope this video touches your heart, answers some questions. I hope this video can inspire you, and really what this transmission was really profound and deep, full of insights for us, encouragement, uplifting, just to name some of the adjectives that I got from this transmission. I really hope it serves you, and thank you for being here. For now, I'm sending lots of love, lots of blessings, lots of gratitude, and I can't wait to see you next video. For now, take care. Bye!